this is Affinity Universe. Today, we're excited to introduce Space City Police, a picture book by Luca Kim. The main characters of this story are a rabbit and a squirrel, brave police officers who protect the universe from intruders. One day, a lion who lives in Space City and loves to draw painted a drone on the glowing moon. When the rabbit and squirrel discovered the doodle, they launched into action. They rushed to the moon and put handcuffs on the lion, but the lion explained that he simply loved drawing and didn't know it was wrong to paint on the moon. The rabbit and the squirrel felt bad after hearing his story, so they came up with a brilliant idea. What if they just covered the moon with paper? They did exactly that, turning the moon into a giant canvas where the lion could draw freely. What kind of amazing artwork do you think he created? Just then, a bad wolf invaded Space City. The rabbit, the squirrel, and even the lion all jumped into their rocket and took off to stop him. Will they be able to catch the wolf? Find out what happens next in Space City Police. Available now on major e-book platforms. And if you'd like to create your own story and characters, join us at Affinity Universe to design, publish, and become a picture book author yourself.